here in the Wirral, and I purchased the Wellis Palermo Standard hot tub in October 2021. The whole family use it. Definitely gets used a lot of the weekend with my little boy, and his cousin comes round and plays in it as well. My favourite feature is that it hooks up to your phone using Bluetooth, and you can come out and listen to music whilst being in the hot tub. I think that's just really technological and really relaxing.
Before using the hot tub every day, we briefly check to make sure that the pH levels, the alkalinity levels and the chlorine levels are safe to use before we get into the hot tub. We take a strip, gently dip it into the water. It only takes a few minutes to do this. It's very simple.
I love the hydrotherapy side of the hot tub as well. It's lovely, jets on your back, on your thighs, and I noticed that I thought it had quite a slimming effect on my thighs, which is always very good. Just really lovely to come in the hot tub after a long week at work and just get in and just relax in it, and absolutely love the jets all over. My best memory in the hot tub was New Year's Eve, and at midnight all the fireworks were going off around, and we were just in the tub and we had a perfect view of all these lovely fireworks and a glass of champagne as well. I would definitely recommend the Palermo for a family. It's got 2 lounges and the 3 seats, and we love coming out here as a family, listening to music, relaxing in the tub, but also having fun when the jets are on as well.